Hello, I am Mukta and I am going to show you the DIY program number guessing between 1 and 100. So you can observe there is a import random module, then number to guess between 1 and 100. The user will get the 7 attempt and there is a loop, and then if condition, if number is rightly guessed, then congratulations, you guessed the number. Else they will get the message about too low or too high about the number, and attempts will getting reduced after each attempt, and if they are failed to guess the number, then last the message will be printed, sorry, you run out of attempts. And if they guess the correct number, they will get the congratulation message. So let's run this program. So ready students, Toby is saying ready students. Now enter your guess. So I'm taking the first number 50. So it is too high. Now attempts left 6. Next guess I'm doing 25. So it is too low. Attempts left 5. So let's try another number that should be between 25 to 50. Let's guess 38. It is too high. Attempt left 4. It means our number should be between 25 to 38. Let's my next guess 32. So it is again too high. So number should be between 25 to 32 and 3 attempts left. Let's my next number is 28. So it is too low. So number should be between 28 to 32. 32 is not the number, 28 not the number, and we are left only 2 attempts. So left numbers are maybe 29, 30 or 31. So let's try 30. Oh, it's too low. So let's try next guess 31. So congratulations, you guessed the number. Thank you so much for watching this video.